What is up, YouTube? What is good? I am back again for another unboxing / review. As you should already know, when you see the box, it's gonna be an unboxing. If you see a shoebox, you're gonna see a shoebox, but today it's gonna be an unboxing. And I think I was talking about these on my last video. On the brews and biscuits, but by the title you should already know what it is, like I say every time. Also want to remind you, you guys can help me out by giving me a subscribe, a like, a share, a follow, whatever you call it. Just help me out, you know what I mean? It's been helping me out. I'm almost to my goal of 500 subs. Well, that's one of my goals, but I'm almost there, so if you guys can help me out, that would be great. But anyways, let's get into the review. Enough banging around this box. Looks like it's already been banged around enough. Shit. But anyways, yeah, I've been waiting on these. I've been kind of anticipating these for a little minute since I kind of seen them. I was like, those are kind of nice for a GR, you know. But I did order these online. I did get these off from the Skate Shop of Tampa website. I did initially try to get these off of Undefeated, but again, strike on Undefeated again. I tried to get it off Undefeated. They didn't sell out before said time, like last time, like this time they didn't do that. But I was trying to buy them, and then like it was taking like 5 minutes just to like go into my cart and process. So by the time I it did that, I was able to go on Skate Shop Tampa because I had seen on Facebook someone had posted a link to the skate shop there, and I was able to get my size. But I see that these are pretty easy to get, honestly though, because I thought they were gonna release early on Undefeated, but it seems like every skate shop got these in at the same time, so these hit online pretty much all at the same time. I've seen all the different shops have them. Like I said, I did get these off Skate Shop of Tampa, but like a little bit later, like a couple hours later, I did see that CCS did have them on their site, and I think they're still available actually. But I was like, fuck, because I rather would have gotten these off of CCS, because CCS ships way faster, so I probably would have got these like last week if I would have bought these off CCS. But anyway, it doesn't really matter, they're here now, so let's hope that they are looking good. So anyways, this is from Skate Shop Tampa again for the third time, so this is how they pack their stuff. But of course, this is gonna be a GR, like I said, so it's gonna be in your GR purple box. Boom, and move that box out of the way. So this is your box. Boom, GR box, and it does say here, if you want to see the name or the sticker tag, whatever the hell you call it, I forget. Sorry. But it is Mineral Slate Dark Raisin. Mineral Slate Dark Raisin. So I'm pretty sure the official name of these are the Mineral Slates. But let's get into the shoe, man. Sorry, I'm a little bit all over the place, but anyways, purple box. It is gonna have your green and white GR paper. And this is gonna be my first look at the shoe. And before I look at them, I know like online on Instagram and stuff, I was seeing a lot of pictures of these, and there was some people that I seen some posts online that looked pretty normal, I guess, but there was some that just looked super like saturated. They like edited the hell out of the photos, so these were looking like super pink. But I don't really hesitate for them to look that way from other videos that I've seen it kind of already and stuff, and pictures. But anyways, without further ado, here is the shoe. Wha-bam. Okay. Okay, first impressions. Okay, first impressions. Not too bad, not too bad. Gotta give it a good toke. Yeah. So this is the first impression of the shoe. Boom. Doesn't look bad on camera, honestly. But like I said, as I thought, and just like I said online, these were looking way blown out of like the colors and all that. Like some of the people, the way they were editing them and stuff. But anyways, here is the Nike sticker in the box that comes with every shoe, of course. There's nothing else in the box, just your basic GR, so there's really nothing gonna be extra there. There's the shoe. Here's the other shoe. Let me see, it looks like it has a little bit of a flat spot from sitting in the box, being thrown around shit, but honestly, they look pretty good. I mean, let me actually just take a look at the shoes, make sure they're both good. No quality control issues on my end. Because a lot of times, I feel like I get shoes online and I feel like they throw their like crappy ones and keep the good, clean ones, but these are looking good. Fix my angle there. So boom, what are you guys thinking on the mineral slate? There is a little scuff here. I just clean up from probably moving around in that box. And kind of rub it off a little bit, but I'll get that off a little bit later. Can't really tell now. There was a little bit of a mark there. Same with on the suede. There's a little bit of a mark, but I think that's just from the dust in the box and from being like thrown around and stuff. But anyways, here's the shoe. Honestly, I'm really liking this shoe. I'm a fan of teal colors like this. Like I really like the color. But anyways, let's go over the details here. So the whole shoe is suede, and like I've mentioned many times before, I am a fan of suede shoes. All suede is my favorite type of SB Dunk. I feel like they're the most comfortable. You can kind of see I have like a little flat toe box here on the front, a little bit. But anyways, so you do have this. I'm guessing. What is the name of that? Ardoise. I mean, I guess that's mineral slate and a different language there. So honestly, I'm not sure what they call this. So this, to me, looks kind of like a lavenderish, pinkish, kind of washed out pink in a way color. Cause I know this color here, it's like a dark purple. I know that's the dark raisin, and I'm figuring this like kind of aqua tealish color is like the mineral slate. So I'm not really sure what is the name for this pink, unless I'm just completely wrong. But I did notice a little flaw here. There is like a little bit of a glue mark right here, but it's really not much. I can't get out with my good suede brush. I can get that out and mink these up. Honestly, I'm honestly kind of curious to see what these are gonna look like with the mink oil. But so like they do have that pink suede all around, and I'm gonna call this the mineral slate, which I believe that's the mineral slate. Has that, you have that on the toe box, and you do have it on the tongue. And this one does kind of have a thin tongue. It's more on the thinner side. You can kind of see it's not too thick. It has those pinkish laces, and it does have that. What was that color again? It is the dark raisin. You do have the dark raisin laces. So let me pull out. I'm gonna pull out one insole just because both insoles are the same. feel like pulling both out. But you do have that dark raisin insole, and it does have that like pink Nike SB and Air Zoom there written down. And let me actually take these out, because if you don't take these out, you will have sticky crap on your insole after your maybe first or second wear. But anyways, so you do have that mineral slate tongue. You have that Nike SB tag in that pink, and it does have that dark raisin Nike SB and Dunk Low Pro there on the tongue. The leather is actually, the swoosh is actually leather. Forgot to mention when I did say the shoe was all suede. Forgot to mention that the suede is not suede. The swoosh is not suede, sorry. The swoosh is leather, not suede. Okay, sorry for that. On the back, you do have that Nike embroidered in that dark raisin. And you do get this is like a tan midsole. It's not, I guess, it's not really, it doesn't match the pink. This looks more of like a tan. And it does have that mineral slate stitching on that heel, or on the midsole. And you do have that gum bottom. I've been becoming a fan of the gum bottoms lately. I really like the gum bottom. It's been kind of growing on me for a lot of my shoes I've been wearing recently. Have the gum bottom, and I like it. And it does have that dark raisin Phylon foam insert there. Oh, and I forgot to mention it does have your standard Nike SB insole. Has your memory foam and the air unit back there on the heel. And that's standard on both shoes, of course. And like I said, the sock liner is that like kind of off pinkish, lavenderish. I'm not really sure what to call this color, but it's a unique color. I honestly like the color. I honestly really like this shoe. This is a good GR that I think is one of the good ones that's dropped this year so far. So let me know what you guys are thinking on this pair. Did you pick this pair up? I know these are pretty easy to get. These are the most recent GR that just came out. So I mean, it's a GR. There's not really much to it. It's gonna be basic. You're gonna have all your standard Nike SB stuff. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty run-of-the-mill standard GR. What do you think? What is your thoughts on this pair? Did you guys pick this pair up? Are you gonna pick this pair up? Let me actually do this shoe, because that one has a weird little divot on it. But tell me what you guys think on this pair. Honestly though, in my opinion, this is a fire pair. This thing's sick. It's gonna be a little hard for me to find some shirts to match. I mean, if you want to match all the way. But honestly though, that's kind of the fun part of, for me, I like, is when I get a shoe, is finding a shirt to match with it. That kind of, it's one of the fun things about getting shoes and stuff, is the hunt for the outfits. But anyways, let me know what you guys are thinking on this pair before I get up out of here and this video gets a little too long. But before I go, I know that the Som Tum Thai foods are gonna drop this weekend. I'm gonna try to get my hands on those, so hopefully that is my next review here. If nothing, if there's no hiccups or nothing, hopefully that would be my next pickup. So if you guys can, throw me a like, a share, a subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram too. I got the same Instagram, Slymebox on IG with the underscore at the end. But yeah, that's about it for now. I'm gonna cut this short before it gets any longer. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Appreciate the support. Those have been commenting, subscribing, and liking stuff. I appreciate you guys. You guys are helping me reach my goal. And yeah, my next goal is 500 subs. I'm almost there. I mean, it's pretty small for now, but you know, I want to take it little by little. But anyways, before this gets any longer, let me cut this short. And again, thanks for all those that have been watching. Appreciate you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.